And thank you so much to all of you for supporting this event. As you all know, the main reason that we have gathered here tonight is because we are about to witness the unveiling of the Ducati 1199 Panigale. So just hang in there, guys, and you'll see what I'm talking about. And I hope everyone is having a great time tonight. Are you all having a good time? Yeah! We're just about 1926, this company produces a range of premium bikes with 6 unique models.
Thank you very much for coming to our event. This is our event. Ducatistas, Ducati owners, everybody. Thank you very much for being with us. I had so much fun in the truck here. I was so tired, but I still have enough energy to go to the party. I really hope that we can do this every year, diba? Yeah! Okay, next year ulit.
Thanks a lot for joining us in this special event. I want to thank you because what we do is not only building motorcycles. We do that with passion and we enjoy it a lot. So what I wanted to do tonight, first of all, to thank Toti and Joy for bringing the right passion here in the Philippines and make it growing in the last years. The second thing I want to do tonight is to have the pleasure and the honor to announce the 1199 Panigale launch in the Philippines. This bike represents for us really a revolution. It's a bike that has been designed and conceived in order to deliver incredible performance.
Hello everybody. It's so nice to be here in the Philippines. I want to thank Tofi and Joy for bringing me here, and also Ducati Asia Pacific. It's my first time. I'm having a really good time. I'm really loving and enjoying riding the track here. It's been fun, and I'm sure everybody here has really been enjoying riding their new bikes around. So we'll get them out on the way.
All right, well, here we go. First of all, what's on your mind at the starting grid while waiting for the red light to go off?
Well, not much really. The only thing I think about is the first corner, and honestly, when that red light goes off, you've got to be ready for it. And I used to pride myself on getting pretty good starts, and I guess a lot of that comes from racing motocross and flat track. It just comes naturally in the end.
Fantastic. Well, if you could go back...
I really like new tracks, and I really enjoy coming and riding this one. It's a really, I won't say it's really that physical, but it's very, you have to put a lot of input into the bike, and it's very technical, and I think if the bike's not working to your liking, it's still the rider can get the most out of the track. It's got a few little dangerous spots, but that adds a bit of character, and I love it. I've had some broken wrists. I broke my wrist. I had a bad one, and I was on my third around for me.
Fantastic, and I'm glad you keep at it. It's a good thing. Now, your sister wants to declare that when you were 11, you used to say you had 2 lives.
Wow, very personal question. Yeah, that one's getting pretty difficult, isn't it? It's hard as you go down. The best moment of my life would be having 3 beautiful children and a wife that have always been beside me. And the best racing moment, I guess, was finishing in one piece, but also finishing on top. And sometimes that's difficult because you always think you can go back, but I guess it was a good way to go out, they tell me.
All right, fantastic. And final question about the 1199 Panigale. What did you think when you saw the 1199 Panigale prototype for the first time, and what did you feel when you rode it first?
Yeah, I've seen many of the Ducati prototypes in the factory very early on, when they're still like clay cast models or however you would describe it. And normally, when you see the bikes in this state, they don't really look, they're far from finished, so it's hard to understand what it's really going to be like. So I was a little bit undecided when I first seen the 1199. But when I first rode the bike, straight away, I put my ass on the seat and I just felt like I was on an old Ducati, and I knew straight away the bike was going to be magic.
as they call their names. Is that all right with you? Fantastic.